Mm-mm-mm.
Mom, you hear that? The fire alarm's going off. Is it a fire?
No, baby. I was just making your oatmeal, and there was some grease on the stove. Yeah, don't panic, baby. And it kind of smoked, and it hit the smoke detector, baby. That's all. Don't panic. Yeah, baby, don't panic. There's nothing wrong. Yeah, just a little grease on the stove. Mama got it out. Mama get it out. Thank God for fire alarms, huh, baby? Yep.
Mom, can you put some batteries in the fire alarm?
What for? You still hear it? Shit, it's still going. The battery's still strong. Hell, it's all
Then
good.
how are we supposed to know when it's a fire?
Well, you get up, see a lot of smoke, and you see my black ass outside the house. When you see that, then you know it's a damn fire.